Welcome to Woodworking 101, a beginner's guide to the wonderful world of woodworking. In this video, we'll cover the basic tools and techniques you'll need to get started with your first woodworking project. The first step in any woodworking project is getting the right tools. You'll need a saw, drill, sander, chisel, and a plane to get started. Each of these tools has its own purpose, and we'll go over how to use them in detail. The next step is selecting the right wood for your project. Softwood, like pine, is easier to work with, but may not be as durable as hardwood, like oak. We'll discuss the benefits of each and how to choose the right wood for your project. Now that you have your tools and wood, it's time to start measuring and cutting. We'll cover the basics of measuring and how to make accurate cuts with your saw. After you've cut your wood to size, it's time to start assembling your project. We'll show you how to join pieces of wood together using glue or nails. Once you've assembled your project, it's time to sand it down and apply a finish. Sanding ensures a smooth finish, while finishing protects your project from damage. We'll show you how to do both. Congratulations! You've completed Woodworking 101, a beginner's guide to woodworking. With these basic tools and techniques, you'll be able to tackle a variety of woodworking projects on your own. So, get out there and start creating.